Living with BPD and anxiety is like being a passenger in a storm, being controlled. My world spun upside down as childhood trauma became a rusted anchor and just weighed me down, dragging me into depths that I've never been. I lived in a state of high voltage panic, a constant state of buzzing, something always telling me that something catastrophic is about to happen. I turned to drink and drugs because that's the only thing that would suffocate the noise from my own brain, but they were just a temporary oxygen mask while I was drowning. And I let that darkness hollow me out, and I felt like a stranger to myself.